The chief goal of any company is to establish an efficient business. Quite often, the ability to be close to your clients and choose correct options for project allocation end up being paramount in such matters. The Lipetsk Special Economic Zone allows investors to find simple and efficient solutions for attaining these goals. Experience, professionalism, and an open-door policy towards investors, combined with a wide variety of benefits and competitive advantages, has made SEZ Lipetsk one of the most sought-after industrial platforms among the top companies on world stage. Numerous assessments made by foreign and Russian experts affirm that the level of investment support offered is held up to the highest standards. The Lipetsk Special Economic Zone is spread across 23 hectares in the heart of European Russia, specifically between two sites with a well-developed infrastructure in Gryazinsky and Ilyetsky districts of Lipetsk region. Extensive sales markets and vast transit routes, all within a 1,200-kilometer radius of the SEZ, make it possible to establish a well-oiled system of procurement and delivery. There are many different paths to success. In SEZ Lipetsk, we believe in achieving success through being utterly committed to the interests of resident companies and through the continuous improvement of our work methods. From the very first step going forward, we share equal responsibility for success with our investors and strive to anticipate upcoming trends. The Lipetsk Special Economic Zone is the first Russian SEZ that has implemented an automated system designed for automating management of remote facilities and technological processes. This network control center is only one of its type that is open in Russian special zones, and it provides 24/7 operational dispatch management of all engineering systems on site, including in those of resident manufacturers. Resident companies are presented with an extensive list of benefits and preferences. Modern, ready-to-use infrastructure, with establishment and usage costs being covered by budget resources. The area's plentiful energy potential that can provide power for even the most power-intensive productions. State guarantees that ensure the immutability of all investment terms. Investors are provided with tax exemptions. The advantages entailed by the free customs zone enables residents to considerably increase their competitiveness on the domestic market, as well as improve their export potential. The opportunities provided by the Eurasian Economic Union ensure that the manufacturers are given free access to one of the biggest commodity, service, capital, and labor markets there is. SEZ Lipetsk boasts a complete complex of customs infrastructure, kitted out with cutting-edge customs clearance systems. Residents are given preferential rents and land prices. Pricing for lease and land purchase for residents is calculated based on the cadastral value, depending on the amount of the declared investments. Additional reduction factors may be applied. The Lipetsk Special Economic Zone is an exemplar of social mobility. Cutting-edge technology and an atmosphere of modernity aid in forming all new, all different perspectives for young and talented experts. The SEZ Management Company has been developing this project since 2006. During this time, the company had established a unique system of competency and practices that made it possible to bring even the hardest and large-scale projects to life. We work according to the world-class standards of investment support service.
It's the first time we've established a production in a special economic zone. Prior to that, we've been reviewing a lot of other sites, matching them against a long list of criteria, both financial and non-financial. Upon the summary estimate, we selected the Lipetsk site for setting up this project.
And for us, it was important a well-developed infrastructure and also available skilled workers.
The Special Economic Zone Lipetsk was, because of the location, to be interesting for us.
We were the first foreigners to have come to the Lipetsk Special Economic Zone. Today, we see the number of foreign companies growing. We found here a perfect investment climate, found support from the local authorities and support from the local community.
Our investments show that we both share a strong vision of the future offered by the Russian market and the suitability of the Lipetsk Special Economic Zone in being a core part of helping us to achieve our ambitions here.
And finally settled in the Lipetsk Special Economic Zone. And here we found extensive infrastructure, tax and customs benefits, and tangible support.
It was built in an, I would say, amazing timeline as we started the whole process less than a year ago in April 2016. Have someone guiding you through all legislation, through the whole authorization process. Our search for a piece of land was much more than the search for a piece of land. It was mainly our search for a partner, because I think together with the land we found here, we found a partner as well to support us through the process.
SEZ Lipetsk of today is a true team, a community of leaders, a shining example of synergy and consolidation among all its members. It is a project where bold ideas are given shape and investments make lives better.